Today I am inside of one of the most beautiful wine hotels in South Africa. I am at Clouds Estate Stellenbosch. My name is Bruno and here I help you travel around the world. Today I'm going to take you at Stellenbosch in the Cape Winelands. I've just arrived here in Stellenbosch and I'm checking in the hotel at Clouds Estate where I'm going to stay for 2 nights. I got a white wine, some snacks. This is the view, but this is just a spoiler. What I'm going to show in the next images. Be prepared because it's amazing. Just a short drive from Cape Town, hidden among the vineyards of Stellenbosch, lies one of South Africa's most breathtaking luxury escapes. Today, we are taking you inside Clouds Estate, a boutique hotel where world-class wines, fine dining and incredible views come together. Let's see if this is one of the best places to stay in the Cape Winelands. The first thing you notice when arriving at Clouds Estate is the setting. Surrounded by rolling vineyards and framed by the dramatic mountains of Stellenbosch, the property immediately feels peaceful and exclusive. The architecture blends modern luxury with the natural beauty of the Cape Winelands, creating a relaxed atmosphere from the moment you arrive. The estate offers beautiful designed outdoor spaces where guests can simply relax and enjoy the scenery. The infinity pool overlooking the vineyards is easily one of the highlights, especially during sunset. Now let's take a look inside the room. The design is elegant and contemporary, with large windows that make the most of the incredible landscape outside. Every detail has been carefully thought, from the premium amenities to the comfortable bed, creating a perfect retreat after a day exploring the wine region. So I've just arrived at my room and look at this, how amazing is that? This is a king-size bed, we have a bathroom at the back with an amazing bathtub. Look, we have 2 sinks, perfect for couples. Look, the view of the hotel. We have closets and a desk if you want to work. I don't think you're going to work when you're here. And this is the view. Amazing. The vineyards and all the structure of the hotel, like the swimming pool and the restaurant is over there. You can also do a wine tasting. This is just a perfect escape. Beyond the accommodation, Clouds Estates offers everything you would expect from a luxury boutique stay. Wide spaces, beautiful maintained gardens, and relaxing atmosphere that encourages guests to slow down and enjoy the surroundings. I just woke up here at Clouds Estate and it's an amazing view opening the window of your room. The vineyards and the sun rising, oh my god, it's incredible. And now I'm here at the restaurant for the breakfast. They have a buffet with some fruits, some cheese. They also have a Cape Classic, who is going to start at 8 a.m. with a Cape Classic and orange juice, a mimosa maybe. And they also have a la carte menu with omelette, some vegetarian options. Everything's so amazing, so I'm going to have my breakfast right now, enjoy my day here at the hotel. I'm going to walk around Stellenbosch today, maybe have a lunch in a vineyard. So yeah, this is it. This is the vibe you're going to have here at Clouds Estate. And look how beautiful is this sunrise here at the Clouds Estate. They have an infinity pool. It's stunning. Look. I just had breakfast. The restaurant is right in front of this view. So I was having my coffee and I was looking through the window and I said, I have to go outside to look at this. Look how amazing is that. When are you going to stay here at this amazing place? The link of the hotel is in the description down below, so take a look. And I'm sure you're gonna love it. Of course, no visit to Stellenbosch would be complete without experiencing the local wines. Clouds Estates produces a selection of premium wines that reflect the unique terroir of the Cape Winelands. During the tasting, guests have the opportunity to discover different styles and learn more about the winemaking philosophy behind the estate. Whether you are an experienced wine lover or simply curious, It's an experience that perfectly captures the spirit of Stellenbosch. And honestly, enjoying a glass of wine with views like this is something you remember long after your trip. I'm here at the Clouds Estate today for the wine tasting experience. They have their own labels, so you can pick five labels. I'm here with 3 white wines and 2 red wines. And if you buy 3 bottles, you don't have to pay for the wine tasting. So that's my recommendation. Do your wine tasting, get your favorite flavors or favorite labels, and then you pick the bottles and you don't pay for the tasting. So let's try here what would be my favorite. As the sun sets over the vineyards, it's time for dinner. The restaurant combines elegant design with spectacular views, creating a memorable dining experience. The menu celebrates fresh local ingredients and modern South African flavors, carefully paired with the state's own wines. Every dish is beautifully presented, but what really makes the experience special is the atmosphere. Sitting here surrounded by vineyards and mountains is easy to understand why the Cape Winelands have become one of the world's great food and wine destinations. This is much more than a meal. It's one of those travel experiences that stays with you. Waking up at Clouds Estate is just as impressive. The peaceful surroundings, fresh mountain air, and views across the vineyards create the perfect start to the day. It's the kind of place where you naturally slow down and appreciate the beauty around you. If you are planning a trip to South Africa and looking for a luxury experience in the Cape Winelands, Clouds Estate is definitely worth considering. It combines beautiful accommodation, exceptional wines, and some of the best views in Stellenbosch. It's not just a hotel, it's a complete wine country experience. I hope you have enjoyed the views, the wine. I had a very relaxing stay. I just loved everything. So if you like it, please subscribe to the channel for more information about South Africa and other travel tips. And I hope to see you again in the next video.